Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Investing Kev. In today's episode, Genius Sports, ticker GENI, has released their earnings report this morning, and I want to take a look. For full disclosure, I'm an owner of Genius Sports. It's a small position in my overall portfolio, but I'm investing in it. If you like my content, please like this video, please subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you think. About a week and a half ago, I released a State of the Economy video where I took a look at more than 10 different stocks who released their earnings report and what they had to say about the economy. Feel free to check that out. For full disclosure, this is for entertainment purposes only. Always do your due diligence and speak with a financial professional. Feel free to chat with me in the comments, or also you can catch me on Twitter at InvestingKev. So let's get into it. Looking at their fiscal 2022 second quarter ended June 30th, 2022, this is what they had to say. We remain highly focused on delivering profitable growth and have executed ahead of expectations through the first half of the year. We continue to utilize our partnerships and unique technology to yield strong results and build upon our commercial strategy. Looking at their Q2 2022 numbers, the group revenue were at $71.1 million. This is from $55.8 million year over year, which is a 27.3% increase. Breaking it down, their betting technology, content, and services was at $44.8 million. This is up 10.2% from $40.6 million last year. Their media technology, content, and services is at $15 million, which is up from $7.9 million last year, which is an 87.8% increase. Their sports technology and services is at $11.2 million, which is up from $7.1 million last year, which is a 57% increase. And the group net loss increased 99%. It was only at $4.8 million in loss. This is compared to $464.1 million last year. This is driven primarily by a reduction in stock-based compensation compared to second quarter ended last year. They also have a strong cash position. The closing cash balance was approximately $175 million for the fiscal second quarter ended June 30th, 2022. This included a net increase in cash of $11 million before the effect of exchange rate changes. This includes approximately $36 million of restricted cash related to a guarantee for rights. This amount of restricted cash will reduce over time and return to the cash and cash equivalents line on the balance sheet. The company expects a total closing cash and restricted cash balance of approximately $150 million at the end of the 2022 fiscal year. In looking at their Q2 2022 business highlights, their CBS Sports and Genius Sports Second Spectrum technology won prestigious Sports Emmy for Roma Vision. They clinched their first tracking data and broadcast augmentation partnership in Portuguese football with SL Benfica. And they secured official data, trading, and live streaming deal with online sportsbook Betsul to help power its offering in Brazil. Looking at their financial outlook, Genius reaffirms its expectations to generate group revenue of approximately $340 million and group adjusted EBITDA of approximately $15 million in 2022. This is despite risk related to foreign exchange rates. The company, assuming the guidance exchange rate, also expects group revenue in the range of $430 to $440 million and group adjusted EBITDA of $40 to $50 million in 2023. I am a firm believer in the future of sports betting. I personally sports bet, but I am also aware that sports betting is a cyclical thing. During a downturn, people might not bet as much, but one thing that's constant is the need for sports data. Sports are year-round. People might not bet as much, but the need for real-time data and video is always going to be there. There's not a single month where there isn't a major sports league playing, and especially from fall to spring is when things are running hot with the NFL, NBA, college football, and college basketball. It's nonstop action, and Genius Sports delivers that. I want to take a look at an article of the future of sports analytics. According to Strategic Market Research, the market for sports analytics was worth $2.1 billion in 2020. It is likely to reach a landmark of nearly $16.5 billion in 2030 with a robust compound annual growth rate of 22.9%. The rise in use of real-time data among the team managers and coaches and the rise in technologies like machine learning, artificial intelligence, and big data is driving that market. Ingenious partners with so many professional sports leagues. Look at this: NFL, Premier League, NCAA, MLB, PGA Golf Tour, EuroLeague Basketball. You also had the Philadelphia Eagles of the NFL. Genius is definitely making a footprint in the industry. Look at the year-to-date stock price. They're currently down 43%. It is actively trading right now, so it's around 43%, which is about $3.40. Looking at the past month, it is currently up almost 90%, which is a $2.13 increase. I've been dollar cost averaging into Genius Sports over the past few months, and my average cost basis is around $3.40. I am personally currently up over 30% right now, which is super cool. I've been patient, and all I've been doing is dollar cost averaging and lowering my cost basis while accumulating more shares at a cheaper price. That's all I have in today's quick update on Genius Sports. Do you own Genius Sports? I feel like there isn't too much news or articles about Genius Sports out there. I also don't know many investors. Let me know in the comments below if you're an investor or if you're thinking about investing in Genius Sports. As always, thank you for tuning in, stay safe, and I'll see you all next time.